What's going on, guys? My name is Brandon Duana. I am an e-commerce coordinator here at ServerMonkey.
And I'm Jesse Forrest. I am a server technician here at ServerMonkey.
So today we're going to be talking about the R630 ordering from our website compared to Dell's website. Before we jump in, let's introduce them to ServerMonkey. What is ServerMonkey? Who are we? Why are we doing this, right? Let's go.
So we've been an IT equipment supplier since 2011, so that's about 7 years now. And we have a variety of different servers, HPs, Dells.
Cisco networking equipment. We sell new and refurbished. So if you want new products, we can also give you new products. But if you want to save some money, and we'll show you how we're saving money by building this refurbished R630 today. Let's jump in.
Alright, so first we're going to choose our CPUs here. Once we choose our first CPU, the second one is automatically selected. We're going to put in a 120 gigabyte memory, and we're going to select our perk, and we're not going to choose our RAID configuration today. We have a wide variety of hard drives. Today we are selecting the 1 terabyte and the 480 solid state drive SATA. We're going to come down here. And no SD card reader for today, but we do have that option available. We have some network card here. We're going to pick the dual port 10 gigabyte network adapter and our DVD-RW 9.5 optical drive. We have Express and Enterprise licenses for the iDRAC 8, and also Rails are available if you so choose for your specific server model. We do have cable management and bezels available as well. We're going to go ahead and upgrade to the 1100 watt PSU and not include VMware, however it is available. This is our warranty selection. We're going to pick the 8 to 5 support for the next business day from 1 to 5 years. However, we do also have a 24/7 option available as well. As you can see here, our total is $7,695. However, today for our YouTube followers, if you input this coupon code, you will get 5% off of your total order for this special. We're going to go ahead and type that in now, and that is SMKYTV1, and you'll click apply coupon. And as we scroll down here, you can see that 5% off discount has been added to the total, bringing the total down to $7,310.25. All right, here you can see we're on Dell's website, and we're going to configure our server the exact same way that you saw on ServerMonkey's. So here we have the processor that we chose before. We have the same memory as well. And here are your solid states, the 480 gigs, as you can see, definitely higher in price. Here's the 1 terabytes as well. And our server adapter for the Intel X520. And here is our dual hot plug 1100 power supplies that we picked. No operating system on here, just like the previous one. So we're going to go over here and we're going to see that the price is $12,413.12. Going through us and using the coupon code that you'll get from this video, you will save over $5,000 going through ServerMonkey.
Once your server has already been picked, gone through assembly, gone through QC, gone through pack out, this is what you get. This is a finished product, and it's gone delivered to you. It comes in this nice little ServerMonkey box.
Sturdy box.
So fluffy.
Got the logo right there.
We're gonna unbox it so you know what exactly you're getting and how it's gonna look, okay? So let's go take a look inside.
All right, let's open it up. All right, very sturdy, double layered cardboard right here, fully packed with custom molded foam. So that way it snugly fits around every single server that we ship. Curled around, you'll take that.
There's padding at the bottom. We got our rails here. We're gonna unbox these for you. Get the box out the way.
Okay, let's just open this up. All right, so here's your information sheets right here.
This is the bezel. The bezel comes inside, as you can see right there.
Already attached.
Oh, look at this. We still got some shrink wrap to it. Let's peel that off.
You gonna do the honors?
Okay, let's do it.
All right.
Shh, Silence, everybody. Oh, beautiful. And looks like we got our hard drives, exactly what we ordered. We have the 1 terabyte here. The second 1 terabyte right there. And then these should be our solid state drives. Yep. Let's show off the accessories that you ordered. So you got your bezel. Right here. And then we got the power cords, brand new. We have the cable arm. Let's look at the rails now. Let's go for the rail kits.
Yeah.
Rail kit looks brand new.
Shiny. Ready?
Ready.
Alright. Let's open this up.
Look how beautiful it looks inside.
Beautiful. Everything's been meticulously cleaned and perfected by our nice teardown team. Shout out to them. Just everything is already pre-installed. You got your memory in its correct slots right here. Don't have to worry about it. It's already been tested, gone through rigorous testing. Everything's in its right place. You got your cards here.
Power supplies that we ordered. And this is the platinum version too. And that was it. That was the unboxing and comparison video of what kind of servers you get here from ServerMonkey. Even though it's refurbished, it looks brand new. It still had the shrink wrap. And you save $5 grand ordering from ServerMonkey and not Dell.
That's right.
ServerMonkey.
ServerMonkey.
Don't forget though, just for you guys, just for the viewers today, we are giving a 5% discount. It doesn't just have to apply to the R630. It can apply to any product on our website. So make sure you check the link down in the description. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. That's the biggest thing, so we can keep on making videos for you guys if you enjoy this. And don't forget that 5% just for YouTube discount in the description. Go, go, go. No.
Now. Don't, what are you waiting for? Go now.
Peace.
Peace.